To access the Profile Manager, click the icon at the top of the consultant's profile. In the new window, you'll see the list of the consultant's profiles. You can click Edit Selected to open the selected profile in edit mode. Otherwise, you can click on the pencil icons next to each profile to enter edit mode as well. If you press New Profile, a pop-up will open where you can create a new profile. Choose the name of the profile and decide whether you want to upload a new CV or copy the information from another profile. Then, set the language of the new profile, decide if it's private, and choose whether or not to use AI review. Afterwards, click Create Profile. Back in the Profile Manager, you can select whether a given profile is private. Furthermore, you can validate a profile by clicking the icon, which opens a new window where you choose whether the profile is valid or not, and where you can write a message to share with the rest of the team or with the consultant. Next, click Save Profile, and the validated profile will open and be listed in the Profile Manager as well. To delete a profile, click the bin icon next to it. You can also clone a profile to create a copy of it and edit the profile's name or translate it using the Edit Profile feature. Finally, the profile currently displayed on the consultant's page is marked as selected, and you just have to click Set as Selected to display a different one.